Hello my dear students, another happy news to you. The IBPS Institute of Banking Personnel Selection has announced vacancies for various rural banks that are operating in various states of the country. Kerala has got a Grameen Bank, Kerala Grameen Bank. Neighboring state Tamil Nadu has got a bigger Grameen Bank. All the Grameen Banks vacancies will be filled through this notification and subsequent exams. So today I have come in front of you to pass on the information as per the website of the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, www.ibps.in. You can start submitting application from today, June 7, 2022 till 27/6 till June 27, 2022. So those are the important dates, 7 to 27 of June 2022. Preliminary examination will be conducted in the month of August, so I've got clear 2 months plus. Result of the prelims will come in the month of September. By September end and October, the mains exams will be conducted. Different exams will be there for clerical as well as officers vacancies. We are mentioning here only office assistants or clerical and scale 1. Those are the entry level vacancies to rural banks. Those exams details will be discussed today. So again, June 7 to June 27, 2022 you can submit your application. Prelims in August, mains in September, October. You have got enough time to prepare. Now the eligibility. Age eligibility for office assistant it is 18 to 28. For scale 1 officer it is 18 to 30. Cut-off dates are for scale 1 officer it is 36/92/1992 and 31/5/2004. Both dates are included. And for office assistant it is 26/94 and 1/6/2004. So both days are again included, inclusive, meaning you can apply for the position if you are born after the initial dates and born before the final date. Both days included. So make sure that you check your eligibility and straight away apply. Now educational qualification. You got to be a graduate for both clerical as well as officers positions. If you are a graduate from a recognized university from India, you can apply, and you got to pass the examination as on 27/6/2022, meaning the last date of submitting the application. If only you have a mark list of your degree which is on or before 27/6/2022, that you will be eligible for this year's examination. So make sure that you are qualified education wise before you submit your application. For officer scale 1, there is a preference, mind you, there is only a preference for those who have passed veterinary, agriculture or sericulture, etc., etc. It is only a preference. That means if you are a graduate in commerce, English, mathematics, physics, chemistry, whatever it be, you can apply, but a preference will be given. It is only a preference. So don't worry, even if you are a graduate, any graduate you can apply. My advice to you is that if you are seriously preparing for examination, you must apply for both office assistants and officer scale 1 positions. Now I shall speak about the examination pattern. There will be a prelims exam and there will be a mains exam. For prelims exam for office assistants, there are 2 topics, reasoning and numerical ability, 40 questions each, 40 marks each, meaning 80 questions, 80 marks, 45 minutes composite time. Now for officer scale 1, again reasoning and quantitative aptitude. The difference between numerical ability and quantitative aptitude could be this. In the case of quantitative aptitude, statement problems will be there, and of course there will be data interpretation, analysis, etc. So again 40 questions, 40 marks, 80 questions, 80 marks for scale 1 officer preliminary, 45 minutes. So both the exams 45 minutes, 80 questions, 80 marks. Now the mains. For mains, office assistants multipurpose, reasoning, computer knowledge, general awareness, English language, numerical ability, 200 questions, 200 marks, 120 minutes, 2 hours. For clerical, reasoning, computer knowledge, general awareness, English language, quantitative aptitude, 200 questions, 200 marks, 2 hours. So we have discussed in detail the examination pattern, the eligibility, the last date of application. Now it is up to you to start your preparation very seriously. You've got solid 2 months plus for the prelims itself. So make sure that you all start seriously preparing, and for mains you will get another 1.5 months. So it is very much within your reach, provided you spend your time judiciously and convincingly. So make sure that you all apply in time. Don't wait for the last moment to submit your application. Avoid data congestion. Shoot your application if you are eligible immediately, and straight away start preparing for the exam. If you believe that this particular video is of any use to you, please subscribe to our channel. Please pass on the information regarding our channel to your friends. Share the video. May God bless you. Make sure that 2022 is an year where you fulfill your dreams to get a job. Thank you very much once again. May God bless.